Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Shutterstock is a well-known online marketplace for royalty-free stock photos, videos, illustrations, and music. It serves as a platform where photographers, videographers, and artists from around the world can contribute their creative content for licensing. Users can access and purchase these high-quality media assets to use in various projects such as websites, blogs, marketing materials, presentations, and more. The platform offers a vast library of millions of images, videos, and audio files across a wide range of categories and themes. It provides users with a convenient search feature, allowing them to find specific assets using keywords, filters, or even by uploading sample images for a visual search. With flexible licensing options, customers can choose the appropriate license type based on their needs, whether it's for personal or commercial use. Overall, Shutterstock has become an essential resource for individuals, businesses, and creative professionals seeking visually appealing and legally licensed media content to enhance their projects. Here are some of the benefits of getting started into Shutterstock. Passive income. By contributing your creative content to Shutterstock, you can generate passive income as your assets are licensed and used by customers worldwide. This can provide you with a steady stream of revenue over time. Global reach. Shutterstock has a vast customer base that spans across the globe. By joining the platform, your work becomes accessible to a wide range of potential buyers, increasing your exposure and chances of earning from diverse markets. Professional development. Being part of Shutterstock allows you to sharpen your skills as a photographer, videographer, or artist. You can gain valuable feedback from the community, learn from industry trends, and continually improve your craft. Diverse portfolio. By contributing to Shutterstock, you can build a diverse portfolio of your work. This can showcase your skills, creativity, and versatility, attracting potential clients and opening up new opportunities beyond the platform. Creative freedom. As a contributor, you have the freedom to explore various styles, subjects, and themes for your content. This allows you to express your creativity and cater to different market demands. Market insights. Shutterstock provides contributors with valuable insights into customer preferences and trends. This data can help you understand which types of content are in demand, enabling you to align your creations with market needs. Licensing flexibility. Shutterstock offers different licensing options, allowing customers to choose the appropriate license for their specific needs. This ensures that your work can be utilized in various contexts, increasing its potential for sales. Protection of intellectual property. Shutterstock has robust systems in place to protect the intellectual property rights of contributors. They employ advanced technology and a dedicated legal team to detect and prevent unauthorized use of your assets. Community support. As a Shutterstock contributor, you become part of a vibrant community of fellow artists and photographers. You can connect with like-minded individuals, share knowledge, collaborate on projects, and gain support from peers. Brand exposure. Shutterstock is a reputable and widely recognized platform in the creative industry. Having your work featured on Shutterstock can enhance your brand visibility and credibility, potentially leading to opportunities for partnerships, exhibitions, and other professional endeavors. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.